What force is needed to continue to slide? So it's already sliding, okay? If it's already sliding, these guys are what you use, okay? You're going to use the kinetic ones, right? Some people call them, by the way, dynamic friction, just FYI. Okay, so let's see. We're one of those, and it's wood on a wood floor, wood on wood. There it is. So this is our guy right here, the 0.2. So mu kinetic is 0.20. There's no units. That's crazy. Okay. So our force of friction is mu times the normal force, which ends up on a level surface being mu times m times g. So that equals 0.20 times, what is it, 32 is our mass. And g is 9.8. Okay, so 0.2 times 32 times 9.8. And I get 62.72. The force of friction is 62.72. And that force, if you exerted that force, the object would move at a constant speed across the surface. Okay? That's what it means. It's the force needed to move it at a constant speed. Now, if you want to accelerate it, you have to exert a little bit more. And if you didn't exert that much force and it was already sliding, it would decelerate and eventually stop. Okay, this is the force to move it at a constant speed.